So hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing about some more feature of M365 admin portal. So if we are going to the organization settings in the admin portal, so we got some more features to which is predefined by the Microsoft. So you can manage the some sharing, external sharing. Uh, from your admin portal. So if you are going to the service section, you will get multiple option to manage it. Like for example, if I just want multi-factor authentication, I want to configure it, so I just click on it and start configuring the multi-factor authentication. Okay, and the rest of thing that if you don't want to share the data externally using a SharePoint, so also you can use it. If you want to just click on the SharePoint section. In the SharePoint section, it will give you the multiple option to user can share with only people in your organization, external user, new user, anyone can share the link. So these kind of option that you can choose it as per your organization need. So it will automatically prevent the action which is not allowed in your tenant. So also also what you can do, you have the advanced external sharing option, like it will automatically move you the SharePoint admin center, and you can configure some policies or configure some securities on the particular sites. You can manage the storage, you can manage the external sharing over there. So these kind of thing that you can use it if you want, or your organization wants. So these are the multiple tools services comes under the M365 E5 license. So I can get multiple things over there, and I can use it. Like for example, if I'm just clicking on the calendar, so if somebody wants to show all the calendar and some status on it, so these kind of option that you can use it, that allow anyone to access calendar with an email invitation. So if somebody is trying to invite you internally, so they want to showcase their status, so these are things that you can use it. Even we have the around news section that you required. If you want to report, you want to check the report of the admin center, so you can get the Power BI connectivity with the M365 portal, and you can start monitoring your activities and user level activities with the data, and the sent and receive mails, and these kind of thing that you can use it. You have the multiple option, you can choose it as per your requirement, like Microsoft 365 group installation option. If you want to block that nobody will download the application, so you can use this option, or you can manage these option to download the installation apps. Even you can use the Microsoft 365 web options, like if somebody want to use third party storage to manage the M365 uh, on web, so you can use it. If you are going to the security and privacy section, so it will give you the multiple options to manage the security. Not advanced level, we Microsoft also provide the individual sections for manage it, but the most of the time that you can use these shortcut options to manage the securities. Like if you want to manage the ideal section, if my user will ideal at a particular hour, so it will automatically give the options to re-login or re-authenticating themselves. If you want to prevent or manage the set password never expire options, or you can give the particular number of days to expire the password. They need to after completion the period of the time, they will create a new password. Even you can manage the privileged actions over there, so which uh, groups you wants to allow, and you wants to get the access of the option. If you want to use the pronoun section, self-service password reset, if you want to enable it for users, so it will give you the shortcut. It will automatically redirect to the self-service password reset setting, and you need to enable it so user can easily reset their password from their end. But most of the, as per the Microsoft recommendation, so you don't need to enable this password self-service password reset option, so you can only admin can manage it. It is beneficial for the organization. If you want to manage the external sharing of the data from outside the organization, so you can also use this option. Also, what you can do, you can just directly click on the external sharing setting for the SharePoint. You can use this option for the advanced level of the management. In the organization profile sections, we have the multiple option to customize the dashboard of M365. You want to customize the themes of your organization, you can put the name, you can put select the group of the member, or you can use this display name and everything. So if you want to customize the tile of the application, which tile they want to use showcase, you can add the website, and you can add the images of that particular applications. Also, you can check the data where your data is located, is basically give you the data center that where your data is also Microsoft keeping on the data center, like it's showing the Asia Pacific. So the data center is in Asia Pacific. It will give you the option where your data exactly storing from Microsoft. And help desk information, keyword shortcuts if you want to edit it, and you want multi-tenant collaboration, like if you have the multi-tenant tenant, and you want to uh, manage from single tenant, and what you can do, uh, you can use this collaboration options to manage both the tenant from the single tenant. Okay, also you can use B2B collaboration for business to business collaboration to manage it. Organization information, if you want to update it, you want to update the street and your city number and the technical contact person, so you can also use these options. Release preferences, if you want, so you can use the standard release for everything, and all these things that you can use it if Microsoft has been updated something, and you what kind of release features you required. Okay, send the notification from your domain for your organization if your default or external email address uh, allowed in your organization, so you can use the send notification, and then it will automatically send a notification if you have configure a specific actions, and these things that you can use it. Also, in the customized theme sections, you can add the themes name. If you want to add the logo of your organization, you need to choose the color of the icon bars, so these things that you can use it for the Microsoft 365 organization settings. That's from my end. Thanks for the